Intimidator tires, bro?
I'm here to intimidate the Polaris, bro.
You're here to intimidate being a mud king. Fake mud king with these tires. Here we got Slav with his new tires. We got David over there with his stock XMR tires, the little babies. And we got, what's his name over here? Kevin, the pop shake. What's he got over here? He's got some System 3s. And then we got the 20s, or the 37s. You see the 37s? You can call me Mr. 37.
Now I can be the change that I wanna see. I can heal the world for real if a nigga speaking honestly. Nat Turner in my past life, Bob Marley in my last life back again. Look into the eyes of a young nigga who survived against all the odds. Look into the eyes of a young nigga who's surprised to be alive. I died 5 years ago. The game set you niggas spiritual. My resurrection was a miracle. Cause still I rise, it's ill advised. The better gets them raised in hell, but heaven sent them, let them diss them. Some niggas can't handle the truth. Some niggas don't know they slaves. I forgive them cause I know they ways. They see a black man shine, first thing they do is throw they shade. Word, I swerve like a thunderbird on the curb with a cop pursuing. I'm not just doing it. Niggas hate like if I make it in the spot for you on it. Had to say the rap game cause I watched them on it. So you can take my cock and chew on it. Cocksucker, I'm a blockbuster. Motion picture flows consistent. Poke the scriptures. Known to rip a hole through the so-called dopest niggas. Snatch your soul and pose for pictures holding it. Revenge of the dreamer, so predictive. Back for more, that whack shit's over with. For you niggas sleeping, it's a soldier's Christian whack. In the form of a loaded pistol. Bullets wound, they don't even say hello, just kiss you black. Burning hell with a coat that... Hey!
It's impossible to love. You don't come from it. It's things that goes on, you just can't stomach. I seen it all happen, but I ain't saying
hey, 24/7 in the hood is hot. If you wanna fall through, get top on the phone. You don't pick up, then it ain't good. Let you know it ain't good to stop. I'm a watch nigga, not kosher. Shit, niggas don't even concern. It's the bottom line like a stockholder. This is where they come, where they cop and boulders. Hoes can't fight with they tits exposed. Still sipping on that wild Irish rose. Still rock swap me designer clothes. Black Mac 11 in my mattress. Make 100 racks, do a backflip. Might go Uncle Luke on the pose. Pussy pop for a bankroll. All my killers really got a blank face. On that fuck you bitch when it pay. Make a pull up on your block with them 223s. Aim it at your face, hey. Even with the rock and the Glock ceilings. You either selling rock or you flock to get it. You either on the watch or the clock is ticking. The life of my watch and my bomb the niggas. Get pinched, I'm a poster bomb. No P.O.P. go hold it down, look. Cash gotta get you some. If I hate to tell you money ain't everything, he don't want you to get none. So we thug it like DMS. Bleed shit, TMS, point blank, period. Need me on the ES, I'm fully with the BS, believe that.
We don't stress, a 38 till it free your chest. And PP on the PO's desk. I'm GC on the blow on press. Relate me to your blow on best. Can you hear me? I'll remote your death from HD. Custom photo death, my AC. Any fuse gotta hold your breath from 8 feet. When I hold this tech, protect me from the local threats. My ID said my eye don't rest. My IV qualified to exercise. Get my IQ vexed and IV from my Ivy school. Applying me to the street, I slept. I quietly had to hold this tool on my knee. Of the black, I rep the turf. I stepped the church and the earth. I blessed the first. I guess the alert was the murk. I chefed it hurts. The flirt with perks of a kill. Confessions first, the worst. The first 48 addressed the search and loss of verse of the birth. I nest the R, the curse of opposed. Incest the good, the flaws, the pain to reverse what's left.
Whoa, what do we have here? People wanna know how we could be that weird. How many hoes wanna clean Max beer? Kill flow, think I need that tear on a tattoo. A bitch sucks, she a backseat. Fuck her in the ass every time I'm in the bad mood. Gotta teach her she bad too. I hit it wrong when I'm listening to bad mood. No respect, cause you wear a V-neck. Got me stressed, pressure that could even make me sweat. I wish Narnia was on a GPS. I wish Rihanna was DT. I got rich with these rap songs. A lot of drug problem, now the cash gone. Album filled with all.
So I called the book gang up, they start to mark it up. Popped 100 Molly, get the shit, think I was sparking up. Up out on the team with a beam, I started barking up. See my nigga Mac, and he hopped in the back. And then we shut the fat burger, ordered some Big Macs. Some bitch came in the game, and she wanted my free, but I'm a bitch ass nigga, so I can't. Money.
I took the Billy too back and I hopped in the car. I put this bitch in front of the Billy in front of the driver.
open.
Woo!
Hold on, let the oil come down to the bottom.
Bro, didn't jam you?
Yeah. Sorry, bro. How do I feel, bro? Can-Am's doing their shit, bro.